guys, welcome back to Chach and Chia Sisters. So today we are going to teach you guys how to make donuts. So first, I'm going to pour some. Then I'm gonna take Now I'm gonna mix 2 tablespoons in the yeast. So now we just leave it for a while I'm going to make the dough. Now add 3 cups of flour. Add 2 tablespoons of 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we just need to add the yeast. Now we add 3 spoons of butter, melted butter. Now we mix. Now the dough is like this. You can add a little water so that the dough will not stick at your hand. Then you just need to let the dough rest for 30 to 40 minutes. Now we just need to let it rest for 30 to 40 minutes. Be sure to cover it. 30 minutes, your dough will look like this, and it is going to be soft. To mix it again so that it becomes more soft. Take a piece of dough this big, then you need to make it round. Then you put it at your plate. Repeat the whole step until you finish the dough. Then you can